Are these better than the Yeezy Foam Runner?
What?
Today, we taking a look at the Adidas AdiFom, one of the most controversial shoes out. With all that being said, let's get to the heat. Now the AdiFom was supposed to take inspiration from an older model shoe called the Adidas Quake, but it's definitely obvious it took a lot of inspiration from the Yeezy Foam Runner. Now the cage is made of a mixture of a Parley ocean plastic and a lightweight EVA foam. The whole shoe textured almost like a vinyl feel to it. And the only thing that resembles the Audi Quake is this wave-like pattern that goes across the whole shoe, the median and the lateral side of the shoe. You have your holes here, almost like a window to your sock liner. Towards the back, you have the Adidas trefoil. You have an unelongated heel, and right underneath that you have words Adi Plus. Going to the bottom of the sole, you have a mixture of rubber and your EVA foam. Right in the middle, you have another Adidas trefoil, and right beside that, you have a orange cushion. Now this orange cushion is actually not attached to the foam. It's actually part of your sock liner. Look in the front of the shoe, it comes with a pair of shoelaces in the aluminum colorway that matches the sock liner. Now getting to the sock liner, it is made from your premium primate material. You have your holes up front for the shoestrings. You have a padded tongue with an orange Adidas trefoil going across your ankle. You have hints of orange, and right in the back you have another thing of cushion right here. Now when it comes to the bottom, this has a boost-like feel to it that makes this a very comfortable sock. And inside it reads Adidas, made with Parley ocean plastic in plastic weight, the brand with 3 stripes. And right beside the Adidas, you have another Adidas trefoil. Unlike other shoes with the sock liner inside of it, this is not that easy to come out because the shoelaces are actually connected to the cage as well as the sock liner. Now trying to wear this without the sock liner would be very difficult unless you went down maybe 2 or 3 sizes and you made sure you had your shoestrings, because your foot will keep on popping out of this extra part right here, as well as you will have a hole right there. Now when it comes to pricing, retail price is $120, but if you go the resale route, you can maybe find them, depending on what size, a little bit under retail, and some sizes just a little bit over retail. Nothing too crazy. Now when it comes to sizing, the sock liner fits very tight like a glove. They fit like your Adidas Yeezy 450. So if you do like your shoes a little snug, I would go true to size. Unlike the Yeezy Foam Runners, these do come half sizes. So if you like yours to have a little bit of room, I would go up to half size. Now, when it comes to colorways, at this moment, it's 6 different colorways. Colorway you see here is an off-white with aluminum sock liner. They have a all black with the orange sock liner. You have an all white with the gray sock liner. You have an off gray with an off gray sock liner. You have an all black with an all black sock liner, and you have another off-white color with a black sock liner. Now the thing I do like about this sock liner in the cage is if you buy different colors, you'll be able to swap, basically make your shoe customizable. It'd be really nice if Adidas actually sold these with the shoestrings by themselves. I would probably buy one if it was around like between $50 to $60, maybe $70. I think anything higher than that, you might as well go ahead and just buy a whole nother shoe and just swap them out. Now, to be honest with you, my full opinion is this is better than the Foam Runner. Bruh. Now, I remember back in 2019, this actually was rumored to be the Foam Runner V2. Yeah, basically had a picture like this without the sock line in it. And I understand why Ye is so upset. They basically took his design, added shoestrings, type of boost, and made it better. Also, don't forget to check out my video on the Morel Hydro Moc. To me, those are the second most comfortable shoes out of all of this Croc EVA type foams. Now hit me up in the comments and tell me how you feel about these. Do you like them? Do you not gonna wear them because they resemble Yeezys? Or you just not feeling this silhouette? Also, I am on the road to 500 subscribers. So once I hit 500, I will be giving some kind of raffle or giveaway. Most likely a pair of shoes or something from Fair God Essentials. So hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and put the notification bell. My next video might help you with your next purchase. And remember, never look down on anybody unless you're checking out their sneakers.